listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
That the tenant's customer will get as per the package. Implementation 1, where they will do implementation configuration. Implementation 2 might be, we can use to copy the data for testing. Sandbox preview tenant. Any idea what is in the sandbox preview tenant? That's where all the twice a year release information is provided to the customers early they can review. Exactly. New features. Production copy plus new features. Why we have production copy plus new features? I can do in Sandbox. Why preview is required here? The reason is, whenever work to deliver the new features, they will ask us, hey, the other features we deliver in the on-tenant, please proceed for testing. And let us know if there is any impact on your production data. That's why Sandbox Preview Tenant we have. New features plus production copy. We will run certain tasks here and we'll see what are all the new features and is this is impacting preview tenant or not. Question is how to identify the new features in the tenant. Based on the version. Is there any way? I can, you can, we can track. Would you like to find? If you would like to set subcategories, setup related. What release you want to track? To release to read the latest one. What we are going to fetch, what are the changes, has been available in core components, and there are 4 changes, has been delivered. Here advanced cash balance. Don't worry, finance related, banking related. I've been parallocating all finance related. There are 4 new changes that have been delivered important to the Excel, and the other test you have to perform is this feature is available or not in your Sandbox preview tenant. This feature is impacting my production data or not. You record those details. And if you find any issue, what does get a Jira case? Copy this, and a case is saying that, hey, the new feature, whatever you provide under the Jira, is not working as expected in my tenant. Please look into this and develop it. Another question, what are the types of updates? We have types of updates. Their bug fixes, their maintenance, and their new functionality. Further, they are divided into 2 types: automatically available, manual available, setup required. Automatic means we don't have any control. If you say, I don't want this feature, no, you cannot work. There is an agreement with Workday worked up by default to release these features. We cannot say no to Workday. You have to accept it. Manual updates. You have an option that you can accept or you can ignore. If you don't want, you can ignore those because those are separate related. What to do? What you guys can do, import into Excel and please go to each and every field. They will also tell you what it is functionality, what it will do, how it will help you. Everything will be available here. I'm sorry. I just want to add that a new customer implementing, they also get a copy of a GMS tenant. GNet. The one what currently we're using is nothing but the same GMS tenant. GMS tenant is nothing but it has a sample data about configurations, how the data workflow looks, all that information we have here. And they will let you test in it for a certain period of time. But that would be a 6 tenant or 610. Correct. Just like what happened behind the project that we're discussing, motion to descriptive part. Any questions on what types of tenants we have involved in, and Sandbox is nothing but where the UAT will start. Production is nothing but actual tenants where we will log in. One last question. Can we do proxy in production? Well, you can, but you don't want to do that. Production environment proxy cannot be configurable, not allowed. Remaining all the tenants you can do. This tenant, you cannot user only have to log in. For example, we three have V3 and you're working for one company and V3 have access. I can't proxy to Melissa's account. Now Melissa can proxy to get us. I can do another way. This is also some company policies. We should be careful. If I have Melissa user ID password, I can log into Melissa's account. That works. That way you can access. Proxy is not provided. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@upptalk.com.